You will often hear an idiomatic sentence in Urdu, उसका शीन काफ दुरुस्त नहीं है, और अपना शीन काफ दुरुस्त करो. So what does it mean? Sheen काफ दुरुस्त होना means to be able to pronounce correctly, or to have a correct pronunciation. Sheen काफ दुरुस्त होना means to be able to pronounce correctly or to have a correct pronunciation. What do we mean by sheen काफ दुरुस्त होना? Some people don't differentiate between the pronunciation of Urdu letter Qaf and Kaf. They pronounce Qaf and Kaf both as Ka. And Seen and Sheen, they pronounce Sa and Sha sound as Sa. Similarly, Jim and Z, they pronounce J and Z as J. And Fe and Phe means they pronounce F and Pha sound as Pha. Pha. So for the in such a situation, we use the idiom Sheen Qaf Durust Hona. For example, if someone says उसका शीन काफ दुरुस्त नहीं है, उसका शीन काफ दुरुस्त नहीं है, उसका शीन काफ दुरुस्त नहीं है means his or her pronunciation is not correct. Means she says she pronounces fa as pha, za as ja, sha as sa, or ka as ka. So we say उसका शीन काफ दुरुस्त नहीं है means his or her pronunciation is not correct. And or if we say अपना शीन काफ दुरुस्त करो, अपना शीन काफ दुरुस्त करो means correct your pronunciation. Learn to pronounce Urdu words correctly. अपना शीन काफ दुरुस्त करो, correct your pronunciation or learn to pronounce correctly.